So to do level 7 of the side scroller project, it says do this. Find the code comment sprite interactions and read the comments. So you're going to find sprite interactions in lines 28 through 33. It says to create a conditional that checks whether the player sprite is touching the obstacle sprite. So you're going to do that by going to control. You're going to add an if statement in line 31 underneath where it says if the player touches the obstacle, the health goes down and the obstacle turns. So then from here, you're going to click on the sprites menu and you're going to scroll down and you're going to put the sprite is touching target in the small blank in the if statement. And in this case, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the name of your character. In my case, it's SpongeBob. And you're going to say if SpongeBob is touching the enemy or the object that is going to make you lose health. So we're going to say plankton. So then in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click on variables. We're going to add the third blank that's just x equals blank. You're going to type in the word health. And then from here, you're going to click on the math operator. You're going to find the subtraction operator, put it in the second blank. So you're going to say that if SpongeBob is touching plankton, your health is going to subtract by 1. So it'll say health equals health minus 1. So now if I hit reset and run, you'll see that when I hit plankton, my health decreases. And so then the next part in the directions, it says to create a conditional that checks whether the player sprite is touching the target sprite. That's, in other words, that's the object that you're going to collect. So in this case, it would be the Krabby Patties. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on control again. We're going to add another if block to go in line 37. We're going to click on the sprites menu, scroll down and find another is sprite is touching target. And then we're going to say if SpongeBob is touching Krabby Patty, so whatever object it is that you're going to collect. And then you're going to make the score increase. It says if they are touching, increase the score and move the target back to the right of the screen. So first, we're going to click on variables. We're going to add that third assign a variable into the if block. And we're going to say that the score will equal the previous score plus 1. So we're going to do score equals score plus 1. Then it also says to move the target back to the right of the screen. So if SpongeBob's touching the Krabby Patty, not only is the score going to increase, but the Krabby Patty's X position is going to return to its original spot, we'll say at 400, which is going to be the left-hand side of the screen. So now if we go ahead and hit run, so what should happen is when you hit the up arrow, you'll notice that you're collecting the Krabby Patties, your health is going down. However, very important, you're not showing the score yet. So what you want to do is under here where it says variable / property, type the word score and then click the plus sign. And then from here, if you were to reset and run, now you'll notice that on the right-hand side in the bottom right corner, right now it's showing a score of 2. If I were to continue, it would change each time that I collect a Krabby Patty.